So Greg, in a nutshell, what does mDialog do?
mDialog is a mobile video platform. It's a video as a service solution, and we service the broadcasting or the media publishing industry with all of the tools they need to prep their video for HTTP adaptive bitrate streaming to devices, mobile devices like the iPad, the iPhone, the iPod Touch, as well as arrange their content into networks and shows and episodes. So it's very much a video management platform, but we have another side to the service, which is our ad platform. And essentially we provide the publisher with ways to monetize their content through our dynamic real-time ad insertion technology.
And that's what you're announcing here this week at the show. So what is this dynamic ad insertion platform, and how does one use it?
Well, what we've done is we've taken advantage of a lot of the things that HTTP streaming can do, and essentially we figure out where ads can be inserted into the content. So the publisher formats their content like they would essentially to a linear broadcast and say, here's where the ad slots are. And then what our platform does, because we can figure out in real time where the audience or where the viewer might be from a geolocation perspective, from a time of day, from a frequency capping, and then our platform figures out what is the right ad to insert into that content in the right market at the right time. And that's really the dynamic aspect of it.
So who are you competing with? Who else does that right now?
Well, from our understanding, no one's doing dynamic ad insertion on mobile devices today. I'm sure there'll be a crush, but right now, as far as we know, we're the only platform that can do that for live and VOD content.
And so who are your clients? Are your customers video providers? Are they the advertisers? Is it both?
It's both, in fact, but the general scenario is it's a company with a monetizable library. It could be live or VOD, so a broadcaster or a studio, and they have their own sales team, and they're out there selling their tier 1 content. We provide them with the tools to monetize it on mobile devices. So they would, if they were putting together, let's say, a sell to a media agency, we would be part of the mix or part of their solution that they would look to deliver real-time or targeted advertising. So what's exciting now is that you now have these real-time criteria that the publisher can charge a higher CPM and or a higher CPC with our new announcement today.
So who are some of your, can you name some of your specific customers?
Sure, I can name 2 of them. One is Discovery Channel Canada, which is part of CTV, as well as an independent specialty that's called, they're called OutTV. And there's another, and Pearson Publishing is actually another client as well.
Now, are you specifically working on mobile, or are you also doing ad insertion online?
We're specifically working on mobile, so we're really targeting all of the devices out there that essentially that there is no flash footprint already. So, for example, our content can be managed into our HTML5 adaptive bitrate player, or use our SDK and plug it into an app. In both cases, you'll get the content with integrated advertising that's geo-aware and frequency-aware, those types of things.
Excellent. Thank you, Greg, for joining us.
Thank you.